Wait, before the story starts, everyone who leaves a comment gets a special Sprunki medal. Now listen closely. This is Sprunki Shelly, a fearless guardian of the open fields, inspired by Brawl Stars and shaped by the Sprunki universe. At first look, Shelly stands calm and confident. Her purple hair, sharp and bold, shows her strong will and unstoppable spirit. Her focused eyes and thick eyebrows make one thing clear: she's always aware. Around her neck, Shelly wears a bright yellow bandana. It's not decoration. It's a symbol of every battle she survived and every friend she protected. Her purple outfit connects her to the colorful Sprunki world, bold and full of energy. Behind her back, always within reach, rests her trusted weapon, a powerful shotgun. She doesn't show it off, because real strength doesn't need attention. Shelly lives in the wide open green fields, where danger can come from any direction. Others avoid this place. Shelly chose it. When strange creatures began invading the land, fear spread fast. Villages fell silent. Many ran. Shelly stayed. She trained every day, not for fame, not for trophies, but to be ready. Ready to protect. Ready to act. Shelly believes strength is not about pulling the trigger first. It's about patience, about control, about responsibility. When enemies appear, she steps forward, calm and focused. Her hand moves to the shotgun behind her back. One moment, one decision. To others, she is a hero. To some, a legend. But to herself, Shelly is only one thing: a guardian. And as long as the fields remain open, the sky stays blue, and danger still exists, Sprunki Shelly will be there, watching the horizon, ready to protect.
Bling bling! 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 Bling bling. Bling bling. Bling bling.